Hello students, good morning to again to all of you. Welcome back to online classes. Today we will discuss the question answer of lesson number 4 that was discussed in the last class. Okay, and we will discuss the starting 6 questions that are related to the first story of Sahib the rag picker. And what are the questions we are going to discuss? Let's start. Why did Saheb's family settle at सीमापुरी? साहेब का जो फैमिली है वो सीमापुरी में क्यों सेटल है? Saheb's family settled at सीमापुरी in the search of livelihood. They belong to Bangladesh, okay, but there were many storms that swept away their homes and fields. That's why they had come to Delhi in the search of food, in the search of livelihood. This is the answer number 1. Now we are moving to the second question. Why does Anis Jung's promise to open a school seem hollow? Hollow means meaningless or useless. अनीस जंग का जो प्रॉमिस है वो मीनिंगलेस और यूजलेस क्यों है? द राइटर अनीस जंग is not sure about opening the school. She just has made the promise to the rag pickers. She is not serious about to keep the promise. According to the writer, lots of promises are made for the betterment, for the improvement of the poor, but nothing is done on the ground level. This is the answer number 2. Now we are moving to the third question. Why does the author describe Simapuri as miles away from Delhi? Simapuri is a slum area of Delhi. Although it is the part of Delhi, yet it has been explained, it has been described miles away from Delhi because Delhi is known for development, opportunities, prosperity, growth and progress, but nothing such kind of things can be seen at Simapuri. Now we are moving to the fourth question. What does the author mean by the expression garbage to them is gold? वो जो कचरा है वो उनके लिए गोल्ड की तरह है. Yes, the expression garbage to them is a gold has a great meaning for the rag pickers. It is their daily bread. It is their roof over their heads. Okay, rag picking is the work of survival for the rag pickers. This is the answer number 4. Now we are moving to the fifth question. What does the expression sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage mean? Sahib, the rag picker, has made the statement, sometime I find a rupee in the garbage. It means new wonders every day. The rag picking has different meaning for the parents and for the children. For the children, it is new wonders every day. Sometimes they find 1 rupees and sometimes they find 10 rupees. Last question for today. Why is Sahib not happy working at the tea stall? Sahib is not happy working at the tea stall because he has lost his carefree look. क्योंकि वो अपने carefree look को लॉस कर गया है. The steel canister seems heavier than the plastic bag. He has no longer his own master. He has to follow the orders of the owner of the tea stall. These 6 questions have been discussed by us. Complete them in your fair notebook. Then we will go ahead. That's all for today. Have a nice day.